Good morning, Koa. Hopefully we'll have a somewhat normal trading day today. Oh, here goes the open. We'll see if they give us a setup off of that 200 EMA on the 5-minute time frame. I'll be interested, but this... Okay, no. It's not open yet. Almost open. Oh. Party time! What up, Victoria? Puts your calls. Puts your calls. What are we doing? This is my thinking. This spot right here off the 200. If they give it to us. I don't know. Also watching the 800 EMA. Like maybe possible double bottom. Or do we flush? Thought I saw somewhere that like Nvidia is doing really good this morning. Maybe I was wrong. Thought something was going on. Whoops. We might just flush. No. No, it looked like we did take a nice bounce there. Come on, baby, push. Push, push, push. Come on. Keep going with it. We're lucky we're still on this. It does show, it's looking upside. Come on, I got like 1,000 accounts going here. Go! Reversal? Looks like it. Okay, we got tapped out. Not an actual reversal, just first trade done for. Okay, I'm gonna wait because it looks like we could be getting stuck here at this 50 EMA. interesting. I think we'll continue shifting out. There's got to be a better entry. It's got to be. Okay, so we went up, we tagged it, we kind of rejected it, we're kind of freezing. Thanks, TradingView. What are we doing? I think I'm gonna try it again. Really? It's like it knew I moved my stuff. What a jerk. Fucking jerk. I swear. Okay. I think we're just gonna fight our way up. See if we get stuck at the 200 again. I'll be back. I'm gonna let this settle down a little bit more before I start throwing anything else at it. Kind of mad it never came down to the 200 on the 5. But it just may not make it there. And we're selling off. Okay. Or is that just the retrace? No, not yet. Too early. I'm going to wait just a little bit longer. I found I've been trading the market too early and getting too many like stop loss hits, and then basically making all my money back later in the day. So I'm going to kind of leave this alone. I actually think these buys off the 200 might now be invalidated. So just be careful trying to long this. Okay, so I think I'm done with these two accounts that I played with. All I'm doing was scalping the bounces when they actually waited and looked like they were going to turn. And I kind of like sit here and try to not give anything back. Man, look at it go. I really didn't think that that was quite the bottom. I have to go back and look and see what the heck it fell off of. Or bounced off of, I mean. We might pull back from here. I don't know, we came right back to the 50. What are we gonna do? Is that a retrace? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pull up my other one. I don't want to let me snap it in place. Ooh, it's so tiny. And it won't snap. I don't know why. Okay, hold on. Uno momento. Let's just snap that one in place. The whole number? What was the price on that? 600? 24,600? So I was late coming back to this ball game. Man, do I really want to take a buy right here? Yeah, sure, why not? We don't have any wick to the downside on the 5-minute. Yeah, this might have been a stupid entry. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it. Let's see. So they left this green vector down here. Let me remove these. I'm not using these accounts right now. There we go. I'm just going to trade this top step account for the moment. So there's our bottom wick. We're kind of coming back into this range. Like maybe we did have a red vector. I think I want to see if they can sweep to like 32. Retest this 200 maybe on the 5-minute. Where's 32? 32's 25. Okay, if we get like a red or violet vector on the 15-second 1-minute into the 25s, I think that's where I want to go long at. I accidentally opened a trade earlier and it was like 15 contracts. It was supposed to be 15 contracts across like 5 accounts. So like 3 contracts a piece. Nope, that was wrong. You ever like enter a trade and it just immediately slaps you? That's what that one just did. I need to wait. I think it really is going to come down one more time. One more time. One more time. Like a micro mini inverted. Ooh, news. It's 9 o'clock, isn't it? No, it's not even 9 o'clock. What the hell? Oh. I'm gonna join the party on this one. Pretty dang close to 9 o'clock. Give it like a max $500. Do we have news at not the new hour? I might have to cut this. I just feel like they're gonna come right back down again. What are you gonna do, Nazi? You're gonna have me set a break-even stop to protect myself? Very good. Go hit it. Go hit it. Go hit it. I'm gonna do break-even on this one. Come on, just push. Push for me. El Pusho. El Pusho? Maybe? Maybe not? You think we'll make it? Anybody think we're gonna make it? I don't want to be caught in a flip. There we go. We'll lock in 1,000 if it rejects. come on. Oh, it's 9. It's 9. Okay, we're gonna trail this. Come on, just go get it. Don't get my stop. Go get my take profit. Go, go, go. Freaking love the 15-second chart. There we go. Push. Push more. You can do it. I know you want to. Go. 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 Look at that. It almost did it. Wrong one. Come on. Tap it. Tap it. Tap it. Wrong tap. Oh well. Okay. Oh, and there was a blue vector on the 15-second. Well. That was fun. Oh yeah. The only problem, I don't know how much I gotta make on this thing. Trying to get a feel if this is gonna go up or down. They left a gap on the 15-second at 54. Right down here. Oh wait. On the 15-second at 54. Where's 54? Oh, right here. So I'm curious if they come back to this or not. That was that really fast push up. I don't know if they have to fill those little gaps like that though. I think I'll short it back to that gap a little bit if it actually looks like it wants to come down. I don't want to like short an uptrend, but if it actually starts rolling over, that would be my cue. Okay, so now we're going back for these violet vectors. I'm really surprised that they're going to leave a gap though. We'll see if they ever come back to it. It's another blue vector on the 15-second. How close are we to taking that high? I'm gonna try and just scalp. Nope. I'm already giving back too much trying to short this. This might be really stupid. All these wicks on the 15-second, I'm just, you know, it looks much more dramatic on this one as it is this one. This one I'd be like, it's no biggie, they're gonna go get it. This one I'm like, I'm an idiot. An actual idiot. It's D2. Let's see what they do here. What if they just leave those gaps for like, I don't know, to like haunt people later? Yeah, because this thing just keeps ripping higher. How close are we? There we go, we just punched through it. Or is it just a buying spree? One, two. Wow. Well, at least I had the right idea. So I don't think we're coming back for that. Might be the dumbest thing I do. We'll see. I kind of don't care about this account, which is not helping mentality-wise. What is that? What is this blue line? I'm having a dumb moment. Range weekly high. Okay. And there is an imbalance there too. Does feel like it's just sitting. We're definitely not shifting down like I thought we would. Where's that imbalance at? Well, they could take the wick all the way to 760 before retracing at all. Yeah, this looks like it's just gonna go. Just gonna go. Oh, what did it have to go to for you, Victoria? Were you in shorts basically? Wait, puts and calls, puts. It's okay. I'm just playing around with this stupid account. I think the 15 minutes just like, I mean, the 5 minutes totally throwing me off. Hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna try a short one more time. Just, we got a blue vector. We've got a stop hunt here. But if this does what it did to me like Friday, then I'm not gonna be very happy. Friday afternoon, I think when it was pumping, I got in a short just a hair too early, and I had to sit through some drawdown before it actually came back and was fine. But I don't like doing those. Yeah, Michael, I totally agree. That's why it's like it's, you're kind of just taking these little stabs, like maybe it'll give you a pullback. The only reason I was even willing to take it was like we had this area right here, these blue vectors pulling it back, and then another blue vector on the one, but nothing says it can't just go right back up again. Kind of like what it's doing. And then I also like to look and see how much time we have left on the 5 minute. So we're still 2 minutes. Yeah, they could easily come back. I'm gonna put break even on this trade. Which instead, what I probably should do is just take profit. Yeah, it took me out. It's okay. I hate this gap. But whatever. I've seen some of these gaps where they actually like, they'll continue pushing away and then they actually do come back for this gap. And it's usually, within an hour. Okay, I'm gonna try this short again. Green vector wick. Kind of have wick bottoms. This might actually be kind of like flipping to turn to support or whatever, how some people like to call it. Come on. How long do we have? 37 seconds? Don't pump the last like 15 seconds. That would just be rude. Don't be rude, NASDAQ. Don't be rude. We did re-break those previous highs, so it kind of depends. I really don't want to take that stop. Really don't want to take that stop. We barely re-broke the highs though. Well, I guess that would be a good reason to short. Except now it's gonna green vector on the 15-second. Wicks upside. Don't keep going up. Okay. That's like 3 times the stop I wanted to take on this, but yeah. Oh, this is, I don't think this is going to end up being a doji can. Well, what are we doing here? Actually, 15-second volume came in. Right, so I think I'm actually okay for the short. Unless this is the incoming volume to get through it, but... No, I'm gonna try it. That actually looks really good to me. Yeah. I mean, unless they just want to run it because of FOMC yesterday. This is just an evaluation account, so if I blow it, I really don't care. My my other accounts are looking mighty juicy. Mighty juicy. I just want it to shift. There we go. That might be the start of the pullback. 760. $653. Where is 653? 65. Okay. Oh, that's not good. Oh, it'll roll over. Proceeds to get dodgy. New highs. But look, we're again greens and blues. Greens and blues. What the hell? Come on, guys. I wonder how many other people are shorting this right now. I know. There's high ADR, range weekly high. Like, my only concern is that if it's just like one of those days that FOMC was yesterday and it just doesn't care. Because we got standard deviation 3 is pointed straight up, and that's like 800 plus. Oh, but ES was taking the highs yesterday and NASDAQ wasn't. Isn't that weird? It's like how they move their money back and forth. I'm really tempted to kind of sit here and trade all day. Like, not gonna lie. Debating on getting my Apex evals out for a bit. Man, another blue one. Do we have news tomorrow? Really nothing the rest of the day today, but what about tomorrow? Tomorrow... Ooh, we got Bank of Japan press conference tonight. That means Asia is gonna be spicy. Super spicy. But yeah, nothing really tomorrow. That's so weird. This is like a whole week. Oops. Oh my gosh. I didn't even realize. I was like, oh, 9 o'clock candle. Okay, I'm trying a short. Like, oh, look. I said I'm going short and it just smacks me. I really gotta change my bias here. It's like every time that it wants to come down. I don't know if these are truly gonna come down or not. Oh, that's a nice reaction. If it can keep it up. 922. Faster, faster, faster. Sorry, thinking out loud here. Bullish candles on what time frame? 3 bullish candles upon breakout. Oh, the 1 minute, yeah. Yeah, and I mean, they already came, look, they came back to a T and filled this blue. I'm just hoping that they don't just rip it right back up again. Like, maybe we should all be going long right here. Just saying. No. Well, come on. You can do it. You can do it. There you go. Atta girl. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Gotta break the 50. If we can break this area right here, I'd be a lot happier with my short. We have these up here. I just really want it to break. Come on, break it. Break it! You know you want to retrace. Come on, retrace. Ow. I just cracked my neck. Rethinking my life choices right now. Okay. I'm actually going to take a buy here. Buy, buy, buy. We have these red vectors upside, and they didn't break the 50 on the 15 second, which just tells me that they still want to try pushing this thing higher. But I am going to immediately go to break even Let's see, trying the other side if we're a little more profitable. Can we get above the wick? Can we get above this wick? I usually trail wick to wick. I can't really see it on this dumb screen though. So we'll try it. So we're gonna break the highs? Or just be wick for wick? What are we doing here? Sometimes you just gotta go with the flow. Looks like it's thinking about rolling over. Nope. New highs again. What did I say, the 800 earlier? High ADR, 790-ish. No. I'm gonna leave my stops there. Okay, so getting some volatility here. They're probably gonna roll over and check this area out right here. I'm gonna try and give it the benefit of the doubt. See if we can get a continuation upward still, or is that it? See if they put a red vector to the 13 EMA again at 765. I don't really think I want to be in this that long. Yeah, we'll just take it off. It's getting wicky. I'm not really seeing. I'm gonna kind of wait. Nice little pullback. We are like hella far from the New York VWAP. Okay, so I was opening contracts on the wrong trading screen a second ago. It worked out, but I probably shouldn't have this other one open. I like that reaction we just had off of standard deviation 1 on the 15 seconds. So I am trying along here on that top step account. We'll see. I did close it whenever it started getting snappy. We'll see if it gives us another entry. This could just be another continuation lower. I like how fast this is. Man, this thing bounced right off the 50 EMA. It's the only reason I took this trade. Did they really just take my stop and kick me out? That's what they did. No, actually, I want to see if we get a better entry. We'll see if they kind of double bottom this. This is on the 5 minute. It's looking like it wants to flip. So I think I am going to be, yep. I'm going to go right back in this again. It's a lot bigger stop than what I wanted to do. Fuck it. Fuck it. Was I wrong? Might have been wrong. They left a green vector down here. Might have been wrong. I really don't like being wrong. Where's this previous one? If it comes there, I am definitely wrong. 1000% incorrect on my entry. Really? No wick topside. Rude. NASDAQ. Just rude. Will it survive? Nope. That's fine. I swear. I know, I'm trying it again. I just like getting smacked, I guess. Or it's because I'm not carrying on this account like I should be. Tag. Okay. Look, they tagged me out and then they're like, okay. No. Blah. Bah. Oh, I can kind of see what they're doing now. We are like down, down. We may not get much lift here. And then maybe down again. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, I know, I keep watching that 762. I just, like, I hate that we have a flip area from earlier, basically right where I'm sitting. I wonder if they usually take these flip zones, like, wick through and pull back? Or what? Ah! That's okay. It kicked me out. I don't really need to be logged in on that account anyway, because I'm not trading them. Stair-step hedging with building. It's like, it's definitely something I've seen before, but it's a lot cleaner on the 15-second than it is on the 1 minute. Five-minute retracing straight back. The only reason I don't think that they're done with this upside price action is we had no look, there's no vectors on the 5-minute at all. There's nothing in this whole move. So it's like they did all the dirty work in the open and now they're done. But I can't say that's 100% true either. I don't know. I don't know, man. Curious if we actually like hold in one of these areas. 1 second, 800 EMA aligning with the 760. That's, I cannot. How do you do the 1 second? I'm gonna click on that. That's not the 1 second. Oh, I did it wrong. It happens. Ticks, 1 minute, seconds. Here, seconds. Oh, that does not look good for my position. They're smacking it. Oh, yeah. Oops. Oh, I just blew that account. I should care more. I didn't realize I was that close to blowing it. That's okay. I would rather look at this anyway. I'm gonna get my Apex accounts out. I know, Victoria. I should care. I really should. You know why I don't care? Let me show you why I don't care. Like, I should just stop trading. But, like... Oh, not that one. This one. You see my P&L for the day? Like, that's just so dirty. And that's only one group. That's 20 grand. Shit. I might have to, like, hide this. And then this is the other one. It's only like 1,200. 13, 12, 12, 12. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll just go with like 5 grand. And that's fine. I'm gonna have to like lock this video later, y'all. No, these are take profit. I was gonna do Apex though. Or yeah, Apex. And do the just do the 100K accounts. And then just, you know, do 500 a day or whatever on those. Anyway, let me get rid of this P&L. Oop, that's the wrong button again. There we go. Yeah, the Apex is like, you blew your take profit trader account. Yes. Oh my god. Dude, Tuesday was horrible for me. Like, I don't have very many red days. Tuesday was a red day. And I think today's put me back, like, green on everything for the week. But on gold, gold is evil. Gold is very evil. I don't really have a pain tolerance for gold anymore. I used to trade it. I loved it then. I don't love it anymore. I don't really know how I used to trade it, to be honest. Oh, look, we have a W on the 15-second. You think that was the retrace, Victoria, that you were talking about? I really need to take some Advil. I'll be right back. I am gonna go grab some Advil. Okay, I took my Advil. So you had a live account with Take Profit Trader? Is that what you were saying? That you since you got hit with the trailing? Yeah, I definitely stayed away from the market yesterday. Oh god, those are the worst. I always hate the day one. The 1 minute feels so slow. Oh god. Yeah, that's understandable though. We've all been there. I think that was like 2 hours before New York opened. Really good trades right around that time. It's usually when I'm getting my kid ready to go to school. So, of course. Dang. I really should go get these. Apex accounts grouped. Yeah, that's the one thing on Apex being trailing even in the evals was kind of nice because you know what to expect in the lives where Take Profit Trader doesn't do that, and then in the lives they're trailing. Not really a fan of it, of that aspect. Having to take profit and not letting the move actually happen is kind of hard. So you either have to use less size and try to catch a big move to just let it go, or you scalp super heavy and just like take profit. Like as soon as it goes, $500 or whatever on 2 contracts, you're just like out. So 50 ticks. I'm really curious if they end up flagging this video for the music that's going on in the background. It's actually a game that I play. And no, I'm not telling you what game it is, because it's a stupid game. Yeah, it really will get to your head too. I've gotten to where what I do instead, I don't even look. I've actually gotten rid of the trailing drawdown on my live accounts to where I don't even see it anymore because it does get in my head. I just can't let it go negative, and I remind myself to take money off the table. Yeah, the drawdowns, the break evens. My sister just texted me and she's like, I'm coming over to y'all's house. And I was like, hold on, my mom's house? Just making sure. Because can't go to my house anymore. My house is officially gone, sold. Adios. Thanks, Victoria. It needed to happen. It was a fixer upper. We lived in it for 5 years and just could never really work on it. And it was crazy because like as soon as the house sold, now it's like, oh, now I have plenty of, money to do it to fix it up with, but whatever. Was not meant to be. I wonder if we're trying to make like an M on the 5 minute to come back down. But I would have thought that there would have been more volume on that push up. So I'm not real sure. They're probably just going to break it higher. Probably. We'll see. Kind of boring at the moment. Yeah, that was a hell of a pullback, wasn't it? Let me lock this or sync globally. There we go. Make it easier. We'll see. Okay, let's see if we can get some like green vectors on the 15. Trapping again, back up here. Oh, oops. So when you're looking at range, what are you thinking range wise? You're talking about from like the 730 to the 800s? Is that what you're thinking? Or are you thinking bigger than that? Ah, okay. I'm multitasking at the minute, so I'm not taking any trades. Kind of sitting this one out, waiting to see what they're going to do here. I kind of missed my entry as it tried to come back to the VWAP. So we'll see. Yeah, violet vector on the 15-second. I mean, doesn't mean anything. I mean, it did here. It did previously, but we had green vectors pushing it up first. So I actually think they're just going to pump it. Now we have a green vector on the 15-second. We just matched the high. Blue vector on the 1. Okay. So we have volume at the highs, basically. Still nothing on the 5. That is so scary. The standard deviation 3 is all the way up at 875. And they left so much to come back to on the 15-minute, but that doesn't mean that they'll come back to it today. Go back on the 5 on this one. This is looking good for a short. Re-break the highs to rip it back down again. This is looking short to me. I'm just gonna mark this for myself. Oh yeah, with a violet on the 1. They might come up one more time. If they leave a top wick, that would be nice. They already reclaimed the body back. Yeah, that would be short entry again. Oh, I don't have all my apex grouped yet. Now they're coming right back up again. Damn it. What are you doing, NASDAQ? Dude, my eyes are starting to feel burny. I hate it when they feel like this. It says damn white screen. It's a nice pullback. Looks like we might actually continue dropping off here. Yeah, I know. That's why I'm like, do I really want to take a stab at this or no? Oh, my sister just showed up. That's who it is. I was like, why am I hearing cars outside? Okay, one sec. I'm gonna blacken out the screen for a second. So you get a prop account and link. Then take one trade and profit spreads. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. That's exactly what it is. Okay, one second, because I got to log in to this thing. There. You're gonna see black for a minute. While I log in. Okay, so now that one's back up. Oh my god, I just fucked up. I didn't group them, so one second. That trailing drawdown on these apex, well, I just made them red. I forgot to actually group them. So I was doing 4 contracts instead of 1. Oops. I don't use Rhythmic, so I'm not sure if they've been having those issues or not. Oh yeah, they're not gonna give anybody free resets. I don't know. I'm trying to decide if I'm actually gonna like hang on to this trade and let it play out, or if I'm just gonna cut it. Because it's acting like it wants to give me another short opportunity. Okay, I cut it. I think all they're doing is baiting the shorts right here. No, I haven't seen that. To make them break? I'm gonna have to look it up. Well, I'm glad I closed my short. It's right back to my entry. So is it like they contact them and like want them to leave the company basically because they're making too much money? I did see where somebody recently got paid out like $36,000 across 20 accounts on their website, but I couldn't find very many people like that. Oh, okay, okay. I think I would have fallen underneath something like that originally. I actually was up a stupid amount of money with Apex like a year ago. Man, that's so stupid. I think they might have just... What are they doing? They failed to go upside here. And try and let this one run a little bit more. What are you doing, NASDAQ? Flush it. Go. I'm gonna trail it. I might get kicked out. Yep. That's okay. Okay, I'm done for the day. I'm not going to play with this market anymore. And I'm up on everything else. And now I have family to hang out with, so. I will talk to y'all tomorrow or later, or yeah, we'll see.